Meet the Belton J2, the folder knife built for people who actually use what they carry. One side gives you precise razor slicing. The other side brings a saw to cut, both in the same blade. Flip it, and you switch functions instantly. Cut clean, then chew through rope, branches, and tough materials without changing tools. Every detail is built with intent. A grade 5 titanium handle keeps it featherweight, strong, and ready for daily work. Only 2.4 ounces, or 69 grams. The J2 uses 14 C28N stainless steel, ideal for folder knives, chosen for edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance that holds up in real life. A titanium-coated blade reinforces the blade strength for ultimate performance and lasting life. A secure frame lock keeps the blade steady when the job gets serious. Confidence you can feel every time it's deployed. From workshop to wilderness, the J2 carries like an everyday knife and performs like a full-sized tool built to endure, designed to perform. If one blade isn't enough, carry the J2.